dates milk banana smoothie or dates banana milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the date smoothie recipes. Today we are going to make dates banana milk smoothie. We have taken around 100 grams of dates and around 200 grams of banana cut into small pieces, around 75 grams of sugar. Put in the banana pieces into the mixer grinder. Put in the dates, which we have taken out the seeds from. Close and grind well. Put in the sugar. Close and grind well. Sugar, the dates and the rest of the mixture has been ground together well. Pour in around 300 to 350 ml of milk. Close and grind well. Open. Now the mixture has been nicely brown. Now the banana dates milk smoothie is ready and can be served into the glasses. Now pour the smoothie into the glasses. Put it into the next glass. This is the final dates banana milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothies and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the dates milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.